Hey guys, I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, and today a pocket dump. What do I carry on my person every day? Clothes for the environment, my cash cap from Wazoo Gear. Separate video on that, feel free to check it out later. All right, in my pockets I have some change, a small hank of bank line, some chapstick, a mini Bic lighter, 2 mini Bic lighters. I just put a brand new one in my pocket. A little small flashlight, and a small Spyderco pocket knife. On the left pocket, I usually carry a fixed blade knife. A lot of times it's on my belt, but this is a little pocket carry, a little skeleton key from LT Wright. A hook that goes on my belt that is actually a carabiner, a very strong carabiner, and a multi-tool. Now my multi-tool of choice is the Leatherman Wave, and within that pouch in the back, 2 packets of water purification tablets, 4 small fire starting or tinders, an ink pen, and that's the space pen. On the other side of the pouch is a ferro rod, my belt, leather belt, my wallet, and nothing really special about the wallet. It's just small, so it fits in the side of the cargo pants. Except I do carry a little small Write in the Rain notebook. I have found that even something that small comes in handy for jotting down notes. We can get into explanations of everything later, but you know what you carry in your wallet: money, credit cards, ID, all of that. And back pocket, either a handkerchief or a buff. This is a buff. I always keep some way of cleaning up and wrapping up. And let's see, hat, and shoes. That's it, except for my iPhone, which I am using to shoot this video. So that takes care of my comms. All right, thanks for joining me for this one. I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, home of global safety and survival. Until next time, God bless.